Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to install Cursor AI. So first thing that you will do is simply go to cursor.com over here. And as you can see, this will be the homepage. And right away, you should have an option over here, download for free. So just simply click on over here, guys, download for free. And it will ask you where you are going to download it, and just simply select a location. So I'm going to go for my desktop and click on save. And now from here, it will automatically download. And now just simply go to the location and just simply open up the file. And as you can see, guys, it will automatically install. And just simply wait for it to load up. And from here, as you can see, just simply provide your keyboard and provide your language for AI. So it will be depending on you. And you can enable the code base wide, and you can install a code command as well and install a cursor. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And now just simply click on continue. And from here, just simply select your data preferences and click on continue. And now in order for you to set it up, just simply sign up if you don't have an account, or you can just simply log in into your account over here. And after that, just simply log in into your account. You can continue with Google or GitHub. And that's pretty much it. You will have the cursor installed, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.